Okay, so I'm recording the sound of the waves and the crickets and all the night birds. So loud, isn't it? And the wave is just, it sounds like as if it's just like 50 meters away. And yet it's still very far away, you know?
Not a good, what would it be, 500 metres? At least. Maybe more.
Amazing.
Because it takes a good, what does it take, about 6-7 minutes to walk there?
Yeah. So it's probably about 150 meters really. But it sounds like it's only 50 meters away.
No, it's more than 150 metres here.
That's scary. I don't think I can sleep there near the beach. It's just nice to listen to the waves when you're just, you're far away. But I think if you are just there,
I suppose you get used to it.
Although I remember when I was little, we also lived very, very close to the sea. I think we're the closest in our neighborhood. We're the closest to the ocean, to the sea, to the, where the shoreline.
The beach.
Yeah, and yeah, you can hear when you're lying down, you can hear the waves. It's almost like in your under your house. Maybe I should put it down, yeah? My artwork.
I would be more comfortable with it down.
Yeah. Thank you, darling. Thanks.